Okay, this is my 2006 Mazda 5, beautiful little car. It's minus 26, I think, outside. Let's see what the ambient temperature is. Minus 26. And I go to open my door, and it doesn't open. There is no way that this door is opening. It's frozen. Last winter, this door froze open, and I had to drive 300 kilometers with my child holding the door shut because it would not close. I've tried every de-icing piece of equipment there is, and it still does not shut. Or it freezes shut, or it freezes open. There's a warranty for this in the United States, but there is not one in Canada for the exact same car. Disappointing.